There's the view from our roof. Cleaning the chimney cap today. Can't see the light through it, barely. That's why our fireplace was once it gets hot it gets going, but we gotta clean this. Oh boy, firecrackers.
Well, we are going to start the new year off right with a clean fireplace. It was a good warm day, but we had to clean all the pipe inside first. And the top cap was pretty rough, so Kevin's heading over to get her done. Little Razzie in the window. What's that red thing in the gutter? Never mind, don't kill yourself yet. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, it's coming. What is that thing?
How's it look?
Looks like crap. Take it off and do it again. I'm kidding.
So,
Sorry, man.
we'll be up here doing our next project with the solar panels this summer.
Why? What's wrong with them? Got to tighten all the bolts.
Look, our Starlink up here. The moon, how bright it is.
Yeah, it's up there in the trees. It's coming almost full, huh?
Yeah.
Now we can have a fire and not worry about burning down the cabin. That completes today's adventure, everybody. Have a great New Year's Eve.